Well, hello everybody. Today we're going to take a look at our hydroponics operation here. We have cayenne peppers. It's like a tree. Figure we got about 150 peppers growing here. We're going to harvest all the red peppers and we're going to put them in a dehydrator, and we can use it, crush it up and use it to put on our pizza. So let's get to it and start harvesting. Well, here's our peppers. We're going to take them all, slice them in half, and put them in the air fryer. We're going to use a Ninja air fryer. It has a dehydration option. There you go, we would hit that button. I think it's set for 6 hours, but we'll check it after a couple, see how they're coming along. Well, now that we got the peppers all nicely cut in half, we'll place them in the air fryer using these so I don't get peppers on my hands and burn my hands. We'll put them all in here and we'll turn it on. There you go. Then we'll turn it on, dehydrate. Well, it's set for 6 hours. Let's check up on it in 2 hours. See you in a bit. Well, we're 2.5 hours into this. Let's see what it's looking like. Well, it's looking pretty good. Almost there. A little bit longer. It should be all done. Let's put it back in. Well, everybody, after putting it in the dehydrator, we ran it the full 6 hours to make sure it was dry. And we put it in a large Ziploc bag, crushed it with the rolling pin. Now you can see what we got right here. We'll put that in a shaker of some sorts. We can add it to our cooking and add it to your pizza when you're having pizza. There you have it, dehydration of cayenne peppers. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next project.